In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Mailchimp to Wistia. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect these two platforms, harnessing the power of both email marketing and video content to elevate your engagement strategy. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't already done this, make sure your login credentials are within easy reach. Once you're in, navigate to the integrations page. This is the place where Mailchimp allows you to connect with a myriad of apps, tools, and platforms, turning your account into a versatile hub for your marketing needs. Once you're on the integrations page, turn your attention to the search bar. Here, you'll type in Wistia. Wistia is a fantastic video hosting platform that can significantly enhance your ability to engage with audiences through video content. It's crucial to ensure your spelling is correct here. A simple typo might lead to confusion or an inability to locate the integration. After the search results appear, look for the Wistia integration and click on it. This will lead you to a setup page outlining the steps needed to connect Wistia to your Mailchimp account. Take a moment to read through any provided documentation or tips, as these can give you additional insights into how the integration will function and what else might be required for a smooth setup. Next, you will need to authorize the connection between these two services. This usually involves logging into your Wistia account or providing an API key, depending on the method outlined. During this step, it's important to be mindful of your permissions and ensure that you're authorizing the actions you want Mailchimp and Wistia to perform together. Once you've successfully authorized the integration, you can tailor the settings to match your marketing objectives. This is the point where strategy meets execution. Consider how you want your video interactions to influence your email campaigns. You might set triggers based on video views or encourage further engagement through follow-up emails targeted at viewers who watched your content. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Mailchimp to Wistia. You've just unlocked a dynamic way to connect with your audience, integrating video content within your email campaigns to both inform and engage in a more personal manner. Thank you for tuning in and following along with me today. Remember, the goal here is not just to connect these platforms, but to enhance how you engage with your audience. Good luck with your campaigns, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Until next time, happy marketing.